In this video, I'll be going to show you how to watch YouTube while using other apps. The method we'll be using is very simple and will be clearly described in the video. Subscribe to this channel for future solutions to all of your digital problems. If this video has helped you out, please like the video and leave a comment down below. If you ever want to watch a YouTube video while multitasking, I've got the steps for you. So the first thing we're going to do is dive into our settings. Once you're there, click on General, and then look for Picture-in-Picture. Make sure Start PIP is turned on. Just toggle it if it isn't already. Now let's open up the YouTube app. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and then hit Settings. In the Settings menu, find General again, and you'll spot Picture-in-Picture. Make sure that's toggled on. One quick note, if you can't find this option, it might be because you're not using the latest version of YouTube. Just pop over to the App Store or Google Play Store, update YouTube, and you'll get that feature. Once both of those are switched on, you're good to go. Open any video you like, and simply swipe out of it. Now, you can watch that video while using other apps like Instagram or whatever else you want to use. You can play around with different apps while keeping your YouTube video right there on your screen. So that's pretty much it. That was how to watch YouTube while using other apps. I hope that I got to help you out with this video, and please don't forget to give this video a like and leave us a comment down below if you have any suggestions for videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.